Welcome to another insightful episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. In this episode, we're going to explore the fascinating world of maintenance and reliability with a special focus on root cause analysis, or RCA, and its wider applications. Our guest today is an industry veteran with over 30 years of experience, Bob Latino, CEO of Reliability Center, Inc. We'll hear about Bob's unique journey into this industry, the critical differences between maintenance and reliability, and the powerful PROACT methodology for RCA. So, let's get started. Bob Latino brings over 3 decades of expertise in reliability engineering, specifically in root cause analysis and investigation management. Bob is not only an internationally recognized author and trainer, but also a pioneer in applying aviation reliability principles to manufacturing settings. He kicks off by sharing his fascinating journey into the maintenance industry, influenced significantly by his father, Charles Latino, a trailblazer in reliability from the aviation sector to manufacturing. This backstory sets the stage for understanding the deep-rooted passion and expertise Bob brings to the table. One of the critical topics Bob discusses is the essence of root cause analysis, or RCA. He clarifies that RCA isn't just about asking why failures occur, but exploring how they could happen, which opens up a broader and more effective form of analysis. Bob emphasizes the importance of moving beyond the traditional 5 whys method, advocating for a more thorough questioning process that considers multiple factors and outcomes, not just linear causes. A key takeaway from Bob's insights is the distinction between maintenance and reliability. He points out that while maintenance focuses on immediate issues, today people, reliability is about looking ahead, tomorrow people. Placing a proactive function under a reactive one, he argues, can hinder the proactive activities essential for long-term reliability. Bob also walks us through the PROACT methodology for RCA, which stands for preserving evidence, organizing the team, analyzing the event, communicating findings, and tracking performance. This method ensures a comprehensive approach to problem solving, from evidence preservation to implementing solutions that prevent future issues. One fascinating part of our discussion revolves around the application of RCA beyond just addressing failures after they occur. Bob passionately talks about using RCA proactively to assess risks and prevent incidents before they happen. This proactive use of RCA can transform it from a tool associated with negative outcomes into a strategic asset for continuous improvement. In closing, Bob challenges the perception that reliability is solely about dealing with broken components. He advocates for a holistic view that includes understanding human factors and system-wide impacts, which he believes is essential for true progress in the field of maintenance and reliability. For those eager to connect with Bob and learn more about his methodologies and insights, he's an active contributor on LinkedIn and shares valuable resources and discussions on reliability.com. And that wraps up our episode. We've delved into the world of maintenance and reliability, explored the essence of root cause analysis, and learned about the PROACT methodology. Remember, maintenance is about today, but reliability is about tomorrow. Thank you for joining us. If you found value in this episode, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. And don't forget to visit upkeep.com to learn more about how we can help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.